In this video, I will explain how to progress bill a client from Project Insight. From the project home, I have a project called Global X Client. If I click on it, I've been taken to the project task list, and I've enabled the billable hours and billable total column. I can see how many hours my team has done on this project so far. But to do the invoicing, I'm going to navigate over to Invoice Records and Proposals. When I'm there, you can see I have 3 different proposals. This is the default one here for $53,000. I've invoiced $10,000 so far, and I have $43,000 to go. There's a chart here that also shows you your proposed amount, your billable amount, and what you've invoiced. And then below is a list of invoices that I've already created for this system. So to do a progress billing, I'm going to click on the proposal, and you can see what's already been invoiced because it's green. If there's something partially invoiced, it will be yellow. And we recommend using the invoice percent column to determine how much more you would like to invoice. So in this case, I would like to invoice this line 50%, then this line 75%, and then this line down here for 100%. You can also not use this percent column, in which case the invoice will just create a record for everything, but using the percent allows you to control what proportion of the proposal you want to invoice, and it allows you to progress bill. So from there, I'm going to navigate back to the project, and now that I've updated what I want to invoice, I'm going to click plus invoice, and then I'm taken to the invoice add screen. You can add additional attributes to this. At this point, I will hit save. Now, those new lines I'm seeing here now is an invoice from that proposal with the remaining amounts of what I wanted to invoice. If I navigate back to the proposal, you'll see I partially invoiced this line, and now it's yellow. I partially invoiced that line, and it's yellow, and I fully invoiced this line. So if I want to now fully invoice, I can mark this 100%, mark this 100%. Now these 2 lines will become fully invoiced the next time I prepare an invoice for this. So if I navigate back to the project, click plus invoice, do the whole process again, I should have 2 lines for the remaining amount that I invoiced there. If I click on the proposal, now you can see it's all green. So you can tell I've been able to make multiple invoices here. Obviously, you would do it at whatever pace you want. Note too that these invoices are linked to QuickBooks. So with our QuickBooks integration, you can automatically tie right into QuickBooks and send it in.